Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram. If you're also facing this kind of error on your iPhone or Android, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. Okay, let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly close that. Okay, now move to the solution. The first solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, and check your internet connection. Okay, make sure your iPhone or Android connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data and it's working well. Okay, if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution in the bottom, tap on general. After that you need to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset. Okay, you can see a person screen, reset network setting and apply it on your iPhone. Okay, if that method is not working and you're still facing this kind of issue on your Instagram, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings, tap on general. Okay, tap on iPhone storage. Okay, find here Instagram. Okay, tap on Instagram and offload Instagram app and then reinstall it on your iPhone. Okay, if that method is not working and you are still facing this kind of issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone time and date. To check that, open iPhone settings, tap on general. Okay, tap on date and time and make sure your date and time is updated on your iPhone and it's working well. If it's not correct, then makes it correct and fix that issue. Okay, if that method not working and you're still facing this kind of error again and again on your Instagram, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open App Store, search here Instagram. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending Instagram update on your iPhone. If you have any pending Instagram update on your iPhone or Android, then update it and use the latest version. It will 100% fix. So friends, by do 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that your Instagram showing error on iPhone or Android. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.